Ki khynnah skul jong kapai mau skul hakas ngi palei ka praterik nai lur arajar arpoar. Kilami ban ai ka jingkarshan ya kinuhi kai berkikmi kikpa ban dawa hiar shuki ka principal jong ketiga skul ka kong ayong ksiar dingdo. Hadin balawai skul ki khynnah kelas 9 hadu kelas 12. Kila penlong ka jingya ki hakmat jong ketiga skul. Da kabadangi kila mayong berkentu yu menteri rangba ka jala buun sengap ya ka jing dawa jong ki namar pagi kwa ya ka jing kala banwan ha ketiga skul. Kawai na kiklidu jong ki khynnah skul haba ai jing keren hakmat ki khynnah skul rengkat ka jing dan lang ki kimi ki kpa ki bawan show skul. Kalong ki kwa baka skul kan biang nadong syadong. La kalong hakaliang ki jaka lekbar ki kamera kelas, library, ki jaka lekai, nalor ki wei ki jinan kam, ki bakum ki khynnah skul ki dan kam ka jing im ka baman langkas ngi. Kalong ru babun sen laju tung ka komiti to kit. Hari baru kim syam la urlong kumta hakani ka kenti bamenta ki khynnah skul. Ki kwa baka sarkar kan le no bat sengap ya ka jing dawa hiar shuki ya ketika principal. Namar ba kilamat jing badu ji mentoy shibun haka jing pe jikmi jongka.
Today, as a mark of protest, we are classes 9 to class 12. We are standing here for the cause of the removal of the principal of Pine Mount School. We want our rights. We would like for there to be better facilities in our school, better toilets, a library, and many other facilities that we will make known later. But as for today, we stand here, the senior representatives of class 12 and class 9, 10 and 11 of Pine Mount School. We stand here today, we would like to say, please heed our request. There's already been an investigation committee prior. We have not seen the results. We would like for there to be a change in Pine Mount. We would like to see changes. Our girls have suffered long enough. We would like for there to be a change. We also request the help of the parents. Please help us. This is our solemn request to the government. Please, Sir Conrad Sangma and the other ministers who are watching, and the rest of the government as well. Please heed our request, sir. Please watch. We are the students of Pine Mount School. On behalf of KG to class 12, we are requesting, please look into the grievances that have been committed against our school. Please look into the facilities that we do not have, that we are supposed to possess, that we are as citizens of India, as minors of the state and as young girls entitled to. They are our educational rights. So please, we hope that you will heed our request at the earliest possible. Thank you.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.